Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Samantha. I talk about ways to make supplemental income or even part-time, full-time cash. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video before you leave. So I brought a video a few days ago about how I hit 60,000 in sales on Poshmark. If you're not familiar with what Poshmark is, it's an app you can download, you can sell new and used items on, and they just take a 20% fee. So the 20% seems like a lot, but they handle the returns and customer stuff like that, so it really does even out across all the platforms. If you're new to Poshmark, don't forget to download it and use code thriftyonadime, all one word, and that will help me as well as help you. It gives us both a credit. Today I'm going to be sharing what tool I use to help increase my sales on Poshmark and how much I pay for it, what package I use, and reviews of the company and how I feel about them. So don't forget again to subscribe and like this video, guys. Here goes nothing. Okay, so one day I was scrolling on Facebook. More than likely should not have been on Facebook. But yeah, I was scrolling, and something caught my eye. It was a video. As you know, a lot of things that are advertised on Facebook are targeted to you because of searches you've done and stuff like that. But anyways, it caught my eye. It said Poshmark. I saw the logo, so I clicked on it. I watched a short video, and it was reviews of customers of theirs. It was great reviews, so I was like, okay, what's this company? I Googled them and I read up some more reviews just to make sure. And then I checked out their packages because I was like, wow, they do have quite a few reviews from multiple people. So this seems kind of legit. You don't want to just click on something, see, wow, it's a great price, and they offer great things, and then pay them and give them your password, and then bam, all your stuff is stolen. So do your research, guys. Do not just dive into any company, but that's why I want to share this company because I do feel like it is a trusted company. But yeah, I found them on Facebook, and I read up on them. I liked what they were offering, so I chose to go check out their packages. I went and checked out their packages, and they offer so many different ones. So if you just want to test out their services for just the day, if you want to test it out for the week, or even the month, they have a different package for everyone. And as I'm saying this, I feel like I'm making a sales pitch. I promise, guys, I am not making any money off of this. I contacted them to try and get a referral code, but they're like, we don't offer one at this time. So I was like, all right, well, I'm going to be promoting your company, so thank you so much for your time. But anyways, it's okay because I want to share it with you guys. Even if I don't get paid off of it, I want it to help somebody, and it's not hurting me at all. It's just going to spread money all over for everyone. And again, you do not have to use their services. I just want to share there is other ways to hire people if you are afraid and don't want to hire someone just, offline that you don't even know. So I picked a package that I felt would fit my needs. And there was like a tier 1, which was 3,000 shares 7 days a week for 28 days, or 4,000 shares, 28 days, basically the whole month, I should say, for 4,000 clicks a day. What they mean by 4,000 clicks a day is like either closet shares, other community shares, or follows. You get to choose where it splits up to and what would fit your needs. Me personally, I wanted to choose my own closet shares as well as a few follows. I didn't really want that many follows, but I also didn't want my closet just sharing all day long. I wanted it to be just a little bit here and a little bit there of both of them flip-flopped, because that kind of shows Poshmark you're active and gives you a little bit of a boost. Also, why I use this company to share for me. Bots are not allowed on Poshmark, so I wanted to find a way that I could hire a real person to share my closet, and this company uses real people to share for you. So what they basically do is they will send you, after you've purchased, they will send you a login, they will tell you what to change your password to, and this company is the only one who has your password. The VA will log on at a certain time, and the company will connect them to. So the person who actually is sharing a closet doesn't ever really have your password, which is huge for me because I was so worried like they could do anything with that password. But me being me, I was cautious and I chose to choose an actual company versus a person because I felt like it was a safer route. and I am on month number 2, only like a week into month number 2. So my 5th week with the company, and my sales have like skyrocketed. So it is well worth the time to look into at least. You don't have to go with my company. Again, I'm not getting any money from this. This is literally just me sharing it, girl to girl, girl to boy, whoever you are, I want to help you. So after picking the package, again, they send you an email, the login information, you do all that. Also, one thing I really liked is they kind of have a little questionnaire, so you could break down what shares you wanted where. So do you want the follows, 1,000 follows each day and 2,000 shares, etc. I put 4,000 and 1,000 just because I really didn't want any follows, and I just wanted closet shares, but I was like, I couldn't remember what the package I chose. So then they corrected it in the next email, which was fine. But oh, another thing, they send a schedule to you. So that's also nice to have because it tells you when they're going to be logging onto your account to do certain things. So they sent me a schedule, and it was 6, 9, 12, 6, and 9. So at 6, they did follows. At 9 o'clock, they did closet shares. 12 was follows. 12 was closet shares, sorry. 6 was follows, and 9 was closet shares. I felt like they really picked really good times to do those certain tasks at. Myself, I don't list after like 7 or 9, so the 9 o'clock closet shares is 8 o'clock my time because I'm Central Standard and they're going off for Eastern. But anyways, so 8 o'clock my time was perfect. People are sitting down, getting ready for, bed, they're on their phones, whatever, so that was perfect for closet shares. But yeah, I'm sure they would be willing to work with you and switch some things around if that's not the times you wanted, but personally, the growth I've had in 1 month has been tremendous. It is definitely worth your time to go check out the company. It is definitely worth your time to go look into them. And again, if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram, follow me on Poshmark, Thrifty on a Dime for everything. Google me, you can find me too. I share daily. I just want to help you guys, and I appreciate you guys for coming back. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have a blessed day.